Hey boys and girls, this is Wild Man Willis here, back with another old school toy review. We're going back looking at our centurions line with Dark Terror and a traumatizer. The bad guys even had their own weapon systems, well actually their own robot drones at that, so they can combine with each other as well. First we're going to look at Dark Terror, the cyborg bad guy. Of course, have a removable helmet, such an ugly mug, and he comes with a claw and a missile as well. The claw launches as well as the missile launches. Kind of cool. And also, when you turn the knob, you can make his arm move up and down like he's gonna fire as well. So, very interesting character, very sturdy. He separates in the middle, as you can see. So you can hook up different bad guys to each other however you want to do it. And we're going to look at the traumatizer robot. Pretty simple design. He has a missile launcher as well. With these action figures, the missiles are very, very strong and they shoot out very far. But luckily, most of them have rubber tips on them, so you don't, as they say in the Christmas story, you'll put your eye out, kid. So we're going to look at the way we can combine these two action figures together. Here's the half of Dark Terror. And take one arm, one leg. It's so simple. And voila. There you go. You can actually, if you want to, you can put the arm cannon on it. For extra play as well. So that's for the kids' imagination and collectors that get bored with their stuff and want to switch up stuff. So here is my review of Centurions, Dark Terror, and the Traumatizer action figures. See you soon!